Unahin ko na po si Mr. Ledesma. Simpleng tanong po sa inyong pagkakaintindi po ng inyong charter. Ano po ang mandato ng PhilHealth?
To provide, like I mentioned, yung provision po na binasa ko kanina po, that every Filipino citizen shall be automatically included in the National Health Insurance Program. So health financing po for the whole population po, regardless of status.
Health
To provide
health financing.
health financing po to the population. Of the
So
country.
maliwanag, financial risk protection. Yun po ang
Yes po.
yan
Yes
ang mandato.
Financial risk protection.
So maliwanag po.
Yes po.
So hindi po kayo investment bank, kundi tayo po ay isang social health insurance program. It is not just a health insurance program, it is a social health insurance program.
Yes po.
Ano pong pagkakaiba nun?
So, in other words po, it's not, we are not in the business, PhilHealth is not in the business of a high net income or making a lot of money po. Unlike maybe commercial banks or corporate companies, we are in the business of providing health insurance and not making money po.
Mr. Chair, natutuwa po ako na very clear naman po sa ating PCEO ang mandato. Very clear na they're not in the business of making profits. I'm not sure if you're aware, but 5 out of 10 Filipinos die without seeing a doctor. Napakabigat po ng data na to. Ibig sabihin nun, sa bawat 10 na namamatay, kalahati, hindi man lang binibigyan ng pagkakataon na paglaban ng kanilang buhay. Ang dahilan? Pera. Di ba? So they don't have enough financing. Di ba po? So yun ang dahilan kung bakit wala silang access to care. Kaya po, napaka-importante ng PhilHealth. Kaya po nandito po kami, pasensya na po. Ayun ang dahilan po kung bakit nandito kami at pinupukpok po namin na mag-perform ang PhilHealth. So yun ang dahilan. Okay po. So, hindi po ako kontento doon po sa ating pagkwenta kung magkano ba talaga ang excess funds. Ayokong tawaging surplus dahil pag ginagamit niyo po ang word na surplus, nawawala tayo eh. Okay, so, sige po. Based on your financial statement, June 2024, end of June 2024, yes or no na lang po. Maliwanag, reserves to 80 billion and I believe ito ay based on the definition na pinag-agrihan ninyo ng DOF. Tama po?
Yes po.
Okay, so 280. Mukhang nag-agree na rin kayo na yung excess reserves na ang tawag ninyo surplus ay 183 billion. Kasi kaya nangyaring ganon, previously, ang pagkwenta ninyo ng reserves ay 463, pero nung pumasok ang DOF, klinaro sa inyo na 280 lang dapat ang reserves. So 463 less 280.
So 281 po.
Yes,
Tama.
so yung 463 less 280 ay 183. So yun po ay excess reserves.
Mr. Chair, yes, Your Honor.
Yes, please, Mr. Lim Siaco.
Yes, Mr. Chair, that's the excess of the surplus, Mr. Chair.
So ang tawag nyo lang doon ay surplus. Para lang tayo magkaintindihan.
Yes, Mr. Chair, Kong Stella.
But in actuality, it's excess reserves.
Yes, Mr. Chair, Kong Stella.
Because in your previous financial statements, ang tawag nyo doon ay total reserves.
Mr. Chair, yes, Kong Stella. Tama.
Okay. Ang investable funds ninyo, is it 504 billion or 489?
Mr. Chair, again, that 504 that was
Mentioned in the budget hearing?
budget hearing, I think that is June. The 489 or 490 billion, Mr. Chair, this is as of November 30, 2024.
Bakit pumaba?
Mr. Chair, we already released the 60 billion to BTR, Mr. Chair.
Hindi na, pakipaliwanag. Ang difference ng 504 at 489 ay hindi naman 60.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Of course, Mr. Chair, Kong Stella, the investment po natin may pumapasok na premium and lumabas na benefit payout, benefit payment, and lumabas yung 60. That's the reason why ang suma total dumating ng November 30 ay nasa 489.5, Mr. Chair.
So as of the latest, it's 489, not 504.
Yes, Mr. Chair, Kong Stella.
Okay, at maliwanag din, base sa sinasabi mo sa akin, ay easily convertible to cash ang investments.
Yes po.
Unlike what you were implying nung nag-interpolate si Kong Wilbert. Kasi kanina, nung tinatanong ni Kong Wilbert, ang investments ba ay pwedeng gamitin? Ang sabi ninyo, well, in not so many words, parang tila hindi.
Mr.
Kasi
Chair,
ang kanina maliwanag, ang investments ay bonds, T-bills, securities. Lahat naman po ito ay pwedeng ma-retire at any point in time. Tama?
tama Mr. Chair.
Ibig sabihin, if your board directed you, lahat ng 489 investments, lahat yan i-retire today. Pwede yan maging cash bukas. Tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
In
Kong
which
Stella.
case, will you agree with me that 489 is excess?
Mr. Chair,
Please
Ibig
continue.
sabihin, excess. Hindi mo kailangan para patakbuhin ang current benefit packages.
Mr. Chair,
Please continue.
our investment is two things. Part of that.
Yes or no na lang po, Mr. Chair, para mabilis tayo, di ba? Klaro naman yata yung tanong ko. 489, naka-invest ngayon. Kung dinirect kayo ng board ninyo, SVP Lim siya ako, retire mo lahat yan. Bukas, magiging cash. Yan ba ay excess?
Mr. Chair,
Ibig sabihin, hindi, yan ay over and above what you need to run your current operations.
Mr. Chair, may I...
Please continue. Please answer.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair. As I mentioned kanina, the reserve fund and surplus or excess ay nasa members' equity. And yung katapat niyaan ay asset. In other words,
Sir,
itong pundong
sir,
ito,
wag natin lituhin ang taong bayan. Maliwanag naman po, di ba? Iniisa-isa ko, simple lang naman. Kanina pa natin pinaghihiwalay ang reserves at investments. Maliwanag naman, di ba, Mr. Chair, that they're separate things? Magkaiba yon, di ba? Kung ano yung naka-invest, iba yan doon sa reserves because by law, nakahiwalay yan. Tama ba?
Mr. Chair.
Please.
Again, Mr. Chair, the composition of our reserve, of our investment, portion of that one ay for the reserve, and portion of that one ay for the surplus or the excess. So we,
So, okay, Mr. Chair, what you're saying is, doon sa 489 billion, some of those are part of the 280 reserves?
yes, Mr. Chair.
How much?
Of course, Mr. Chair, the
Mr.
489.
Lim Siaco, kahit hindi ka naka-oath, Mr. Lim Siaco, at one point, kung magkakaroon tayo ng inquiry, matandain ako sa numero, maalala ko lahat ito.
Mr. Chair. Yes,
Please
Mr. Chair.
continue.
Again, balance sheet ang pinag-usapan natin. And of course,
Nakakaintindi po kami ng balance sheet.
Opo, asset equals liability plus equity. So ang reserve po natin at saka yung excess or surplus ay nasa members equity. Ang katapat niyan ay nasa asset side. Asset. Itong investment natin ay nasa asset, meaning itong asset natin ito yung nagko-cover, yung gagamitin natin na pondo ay papalabas ay ito. So in other words, tama si Kong Stella, Mr. Chair, that anytime pwede natin to ma-convert into cash. Because this one ay convertible naman siya and
Okay,
magamit
so,
natin sa
so
payment.
what you're saying, Mr. Chair, is yung buong 280 ay nasa loob ng 489.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Lahat.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Lahat.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay, so 289 minus 280,
Yung buong reserve na
Yung buong
280
reserve.
nasa investment? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, Mr. Chair, because yung backup
Hindi
niya,
ba under the
asset.
law dapat only the unused portion of the reserve should be used as investment? Hindi po pwedeng yung buong reserve. Kumbaga yung investment, that is the least priority. Ang priority muna, number one, kailangan gamitin muna yung pera, yung reserve, para sa program's benefit. Number two, kailangan gamitin muna yung pera para sa decrease ng amount ng members' contribution. Pag may sobra, yun lamang ang gagamitin para sa investment. Bakit po ang tanong, bakit buong reserve nilagay na ninyo sa investment?
Mr. Chair.
So tama
let
yung
me-
sinasabi ni Congresswoman Estela na hindi kayo social health insurance program para naging investment program kayo.
So Mr. Chair, okay, so isa-isahin ulit natin ha. So may reserve kayo na 280, may excess reserves kayo na 183, meron kayong investable funds net of reserves na 209. Inalis ko na doon yung 280. Kasi 489 yan kanina, tinanggal ko na yung 280. So may natitirang 209.
yes, Mr. Chair.
Tama.
Yes,
Kasi
Mr. Chair.
489 yan kanina, sabi mo kasama dyan ang 280,
Yep.
So, investable funds net of reserves is 209,
Yes
correct?
po. Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Isa-isahin lang natin para makwenta natin magkano ba talaga available. Tama ba, doon sa budget hearings natin, nung huli, inamin ninyo na meron kayong dalawang unutilized SAROS amounting to 21 billion each?
Mr. Chair, 21 billion each. Yeah, that is the PCS on PAGCOR
Yes.
for 2023
Yes.
2024.
Yes.
Yes po.
42 billion pesos.
Yes po.
Total.
Yes po.
Dahil unutilized siya, ibig sabihin nun, excess din yon. Unutilized, hindi pa nagagamit.
Hindi nagamit.
Mr. Chair, as to the
Unutilized, ibig sabihin, kumbaga, uncashed check. Parang ganon. Tama ba? Parang siyang uncashed check. Available, pero hindi pa nagagamit. Tama ba yon?
Mr. Chair, if may I, Mr. Chair, this 21.17 ay PCS on PAGCOR.
Yes po.
And ito po ay 2023-2024.
Yes po.
Hindi pa ho namin na-receive yung NCA po nito.
O, pero merong ganon. Yes, pero may SARO na.
May SARO po, pero hindi po siya, wala pa siyang cash backup. No NCA po.
Pareho.
Yes po.
Parehong walang NCA.
Yes po.
Mr. Chairman,
So, ang ibig sabihin ng SARO, Special Allotment Release Order. Ibig sabihin, may pondo na inilalaan.
Yes.
Okay. Yung NCA, Notice of Cash Allotment, ibig sabihin may pera na.
Yes.
Tama po ba?
Pero pag
Okay.
may SARO ka,
Pag may SARO ka, ibig
yun
sabihin,
na rin yun.
good as cash na rin.
Good as cash.
Kumbaga,
Ibibilang
parang
ka na.
sinasabi, meron ng allocation for
Yes
that.
po.
Okay.
Mr. Chairman, if I may,
With the indulgence of Congresswoman
Yes,
Estela,
ano lang,
please, Congressman
maybe
Franz
you
Pumare.
can ask the gentleman to answer your inquiry kanina. Hindi niya sinagot eh. Yung tanong mo na kung lahat ba yung investment, nilagay lahat sa investment yung sobra.
Yung
Hindi
lahat ba
sinagot
ng
yun.
reserve, nilagay mo sa investment?
Mr. Chair, may I answer?
Yes, kanina pa.
Maraming salamat, Kong.
Yung buong 280 na reserve, lahat po ba yun nilagay nyo sa investment?
Mr. Chair, as provided in Section 21 of the USC, second paragraph, Mr. Chair, any unused portion of the reserve funds that is not needed to meet the current expenditures obligation or support the above-mentioned program shall be placed in investment to earn an average annual income at prevailing rates of interest and shall be referred to as investment reserve fund. This investment reserve fund shall be invested in any or all of the following. That is the authority of the law kung saan namin ipapasok yung investment, Mr. Chair. Itong provision, Mr. Chair, that sinasabi niya, pag mayroon ho tayong pundo na hindi natin magagamit, ay ipapasok natin sa investment to earn an interest kahit paano, Mr. Chair.
Paano naging unused yung buong reserve? Meron talagang dapat paglaanan niya. Number one, sabi nga dito, kailangan yung program's benefit. Number two, decrease the amount of members' contribution. Di dapat nga, ginamit nyo muna yung dalawang yun. Yung sosobra doon, pag may balances, yun lang yung magiging unused portion.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, please.
Meaning, Mr. Chair, in the operation of PhilHealth, as mentioned by PCO Ledesma, pumapasok po yung pondo more than sa lumalabas na pondo. Kaya ang trust ngayon ng korporasyon ay accelerate the benefit enhancement para tataas po to.
Okay, so
Ganun po
tama
siya.
yung sinasabi ni Chair na yung buong 280 is naka-invest.
Yes, Mr. Chair, nandoon po
sige,
siya. May
let's
backup
leave
po
it
siya.
at that first. Let's just account first kung magkano ang excess. Right now, naka-invest ng buong buo ang 280.
Congresswoman, kanina rin inamin nila, wala pa nga silang decrease ang amount ng members' contribution eh.
Yes po. So,
So, ibig sabihin, kasi kaya nga to ginagawa tong reserve para mapababa natin yung mga
Yes po.
contribution ng mga miyembro.
Tama po.
The fact na wala silang dinecrease, talagang hindi nila magagamit. At nilagay nila sa investment.
Tama po. Tama
So,
po.
kumbaga, imbis na dapat ibigay dun sa mga tao para mabawasan yung contribution, pinagkakitaan.
Tama po. Tama po, Mr. Chair.